Racing just is started. We have Master's Degree. Break quickly to start. Down on the inside. Perfect angle. Larin cut. Moving up is Santos. Santito. Then comes Decent Proposal. Moving up. Quarter of the wind in the middle portion. Gigolo J. Wild Beat. The hit is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Master's Degree moving up on the outside. Larin Canta Santo Santito is racing in third. And down on the inside is Perfect at Gigulo J. Then next on line is Color of the Wind, Decent Proposal and Beat. The hit, Larin cut by about half length. Master's Degree, Santo Santito moving up in the middle portion is Perfect at Gigolo J comes next. Bit the hit, recent proposal while Color of the Wind now racing and lands at a far turn. The lead now belongs to Santo Santito by about half length. Down on the inside, Latin cut, Perfect Act, Master's Degree, and as they swing for home, Santo Santito, Master's Degree, beat the hit, now coming closer with about 100 meters of the race, Santo Santito, beat the hit, now moves up on the outside to take the lead. It's now beat the hit, Santo Santito, Decent Proposal, Master's Degree, Perfect Act, Larin Cut,